Hello, and welcome to the third and final part of our Top 30 Healthiest Foods series. The first two videos discussed 20 unique foods that can help revitalize your body and improve your health. If you missed those videos, be sure to check them out in the description. Today, we're excited to introduce the last 10 foods on our list, each packed with incredible nutritional benefits. So, without further ado, let's dive into the next set of healthy foods that you should consider incorporating into your diet. Carrots are versatile and nutritious vegetables that can be enjoyed in many ways. They're high in vitamin A, essential for eye health, fiber, and antioxidants. Eating carrots regularly may also help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Add more carrots to your diet to salads, stir-fries, or roasted vegetable medleys. Or, enjoy them as a crunchy snack with hummus or other dips. A straightforward recipe idea is to roast carrots with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of your favorite herbs or spices for a flavorful and healthy side dish. Red cabbage may not be as popular as green cabbage, but it is a nutrient-packed food. It is rich in vitamins C and K and antioxidants, making it a great addition to any meal. One of the critical benefits of red cabbage is its ability to reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to a wide range of health problems. Additionally, studies suggest that regular consumption of red cabbage may help protect against heart disease. To incorporate red cabbage into your diet, make a simple slaw by combining shredded red cabbage with olive oil and apple cider vinegar. You can also roast it with salt and pepper for a tasty side dish. Ginger is a popular spice used for thousands of years for its medicinal properties. It contains a bioactive compound called gingerol, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. In terms of its health benefits, ginger has been shown to relieve nausea and vomiting, particularly in pregnant women and those undergoing chemotherapy. It may also help reduce muscle pain and soreness and lower blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. One easy way to incorporate ginger into your meals is by adding it to your morning smoothie or making ginger tea by steeping sliced ginger in hot water. You can also use it to flavor stir-fries, soups, and marinades. Here's a simple recipe idea: carrot ginger soup. In a pot, sauté chopped onions and garlic in olive oil until softened. Add chopped carrots, sliced ginger, and vegetable broth. Bring to a boil, reduce heat, and simmer until the carrots are tender. Blend the mixture until smooth, then stir some coconut milk for added creaminess. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Incorporating ginger into your diet can reap many health benefits while adding a delicious, spicy kick to your meals. Turmeric is a spice that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. It contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound with many potential health benefits. Turmeric has been shown to improve brain function, reduce the risk of heart disease, and even help fight depression. It has also been used to relieve joint pain and stiffness. To incorporate turmeric into your diet, add it to your smoothies, sprinkle it on roasted vegetables, or season your meats. Here's a simple recipe: Mix a teaspoon of turmeric with plain Greek yogurt and use it as a dip for your veggies or a spread for your sandwich. Cinnamon is a spice known for its sweet, warm flavor and aroma. But did you know that it also has incredible health benefits? Cinnamon is highly antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, making it a great addition to a healthy diet. One of the potential benefits of cinnamon is that it may help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. This makes it particularly beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. So, how can you incorporate cinnamon into your meals? Bringing some cinnamon to your morning oatmeal or yogurt is a straightforward idea, and add it to your coffee or tea for a delicious and healthy flavor boost. Add cinnamon to your favorite baked goods or savory dishes, like roasted vegetables or meat rubs. The possibilities are endless, so experiment and find new ways to enjoy this delicious and nutritious spice. Green tea is a popular drink that has been enjoyed for centuries. It's known for its unique flavor and many health benefits. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, which can help protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Studies have shown that green tea may also help improve brain function, lower the risk of some types of cancer, and aid in weight loss. One easy way to incorporate green tea into your meals is by using it as a smoothie base or adding it to your favorite salad dressing. For added sweetness, you can also enjoy a hot cup of green tea or honey. Cottage cheese is often overlooked as a healthy food but incredibly nutritious. It's high in protein, calcium, and B vitamins, making it a great addition to any diet. One of the benefits of cottage cheese is that it can help promote muscle growth. This is because it's a rich source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing muscles. It can also aid in weight loss, as the high protein content helps to promote feelings of fullness and can reduce cravings. Cottage cheese is also great for improving bone health, as it's a good source of calcium. Calcium is essential for building and maintaining strong bones, and getting enough of it in your diet is vital for overall health. So how can you incorporate cottage cheese into your meals? One easy way is to have it as a snack on its own or with some fruit. You can also use it as a substitute for higher-fat dairy products in recipes like lasagna or other baked dishes. Try adding cottage cheese to your diet for a tasty and nutritious way to support your health and wellness. Watermelon is not just a refreshing summer fruit but also a nutrition powerhouse. It's high in vitamins A and C and lycopene, an antioxidant that helps protect against cellular damage. Eating watermelon may help reduce muscle soreness after exercise and improve heart health by lowering blood pressure and improving circulation. A simple way to incorporate watermelon into your meals is by making a salad. Combine chopped watermelon with feta cheese, fresh mint, and a drizzle of balsamic vinegar for a sweet and savory salad packed with nutrients. Brussels sprouts are often overlooked, but they are packed with nutrients. They are high in fiber, vitamin C, and vitamin K. Brussels sprouts can help improve digestion, lower inflammation, and reduce cancer risk. They are also common in calories, making them a great addition to any weight loss plan. A straightforward recipe idea is to roast Brussels sprouts in the oven with olive oil, garlic, and a pinch of salt and pepper. This tasty and healthy side dish pairs well with any meal. Last but not least, let's talk about cauliflower. This cruciferous vegetable is packed with nutrition, including high levels of fiber, vitamin C, and other essential nutrients. Cauliflower has been linked to a lower risk of cancer, improved heart health, and weight loss. Its versatility also makes it a great addition to any meal. To incorporate cauliflower into your diet, try roasting it with olive oil and spices for a delicious and healthy side dish. You can also use it as a low-carb alternative to rice or mash it up as a substitute for mashed potatoes. Remember to experiment with different cooking methods and flavor combinations to find the cauliflower recipe that works best for you. In conclusion, this series covers the 30 healthiest foods to eat. From avocado to cauliflower, these foods contain essential nutrients and benefits that can help revitalize your body. We encourage you to incorporate these foods into your daily meals for optimal health and wellness. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this series.